Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever stared at a massive spreadsheet wondering how to pull the right data without doing it manually, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 Excel lookup formulas every beginner must know to save hours of work. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Number 1, VLOOKUP. This is the classic, the granddaddy of all lookup formulas. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for a value in the first column of a table, then returns a value from the same row in a column you choose. The formula goes like this: equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, your search value, comma, the table range, comma, the column number to return, comma, false for an exact match, close parentheses. It is great for quick, simple searches, but just remember it can only look from left to right. Number 2, XLOOKUP. This is the modern champion, and if you have Excel 365 or Excel 2021, this one replaces VLOOKUP entirely. It is faster, easier, and it can look left or right, no restrictions. The syntax is equals XLOOKUP, open parentheses, what you are looking for, comma, the column to search in, comma, the column to return, comma, 0 if not found, close parentheses. You do not have to count columns anymore, and the built-in if not found argument means no more ugly NA errors on your clean sheets. Number 3, index and match. Before XLOOKUP existed, this was the pro-level combo to get around VLOOKUP's limitations. Index returns the value at a given position, while match tells you which row your data is in. By combining them, you get a powerful, dynamic lookup that works in any direction and will not break if you insert or delete columns. This one is a must-know if you share files with people using older versions of Excel. Number 4, HLOOKUP. We have talked about vertical lookups, but what if your data runs across the page instead of down? HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. It searches for a value in the top row of a table, then returns a value from the same column in a row you specify. Think of it as VLOOKUP rotated 90 degrees. Perfect for financial models or monthly tracking sheets where your months go across the columns. Number 5, if error. Okay, this one is not technically a lookup formula, but it is the ultimate companion to all of them. Whenever a lookup fails to find a match, Excel throws an ugly error code on your screen. By wrapping your formula inside if error, you tell Excel exactly what to display instead, like a 0, a blank cell, or the words not found. It instantly makes your dashboards look clean and professional. And there you have it, the top 5 Excel lookup formulas to level up your game. Start with XLOOKUP if you can, master VLOOKUP for the classics, use index match for older files, HLOOKUP for horizontal data, and always keep things clean with if error. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel for more weekly Excel tips, drop a comment below on which formula is your favorite, and I will see you in the next one.